I have a camera today, ICE Sky M4 dash camera that I'm going to install today in a vehicle. So let's unpack and see what's inside. So we have this plastic trim to feed the wire. This is some documentation, clip, camera itself, so this is front, this is back for the cab, and we can regulate this by tipping up and down. On the bottom there is function buttons. So it includes with all hardware, necessary hardware, double-side stickers with plastic hooks to run the wire. This is a suction cup for mounting the camera on the window. Okay, that's cigarette lighter power and cable. This is camera for the rear window, also adjustable. It has a double sticker, and also we can adjust this camera with a long cable, so hopefully it will reach to the front of the camera. And yeah, that's it. So let's install and see how this thing's gonna work. Okay, so here's the camera, plug it in with a cable. Let's plug it in to the cigarette lighter and follow the steps, what it's asking us. Okay, so it wants, I inserted the memory card, so it wants to format the memory card. I'm gonna press it OK. Okay, I'm going to install camera over here, so I'm gonna clean the area, and I'm gonna install it as much as possible high, so I will not block the view of the driver, just like that. And now I'm gonna screw this knob in here to create the suction so it will stay. Okay guys, so I found a spot. So this is a good spot here. I already secured the suction cup to the window, and I'm running the wire underneath the headliner. So and that's this plastic trim that came along with the camera. So this is how we do. We push some by finger, some by this plastic trim, and so on. So I'm gonna run this cable down all the way, come back, drop it down, and run it to the cigarette lighter. Okay, after we finish running the cable along here, so I gotta hide that cable yet. Then I took the back cover, the side cover here where the fuses are, and then I'm gonna run the cable here and hide it with the cover. I'm on the back of the vehicle, so this is the back camera that I'm gonna stick to the back window. And again, this camera is adjusting, so I'm gonna pick, this is the center, so I'm gonna pick the line and install it camera over here. Okay guys, just finished installing all the wiring, so I want to share with you. So this is the back camera. Again, we can adjust this camera by tilting up and down, and then very easy installation. Don't have to take anything off, any plastic trim off. So all what you guys need to do is just fish the wire in like I did in here. Then, well, of course I didn't want to take all this plastic covers off, so I just ran the wire over here and then ran it out in here, and then I left a loop for the tailgate to be open, so make sure we won't break the wire. And then I ran over here, down, and over there to the pillar, and I ran on the end of the headliner all the way to the handle to the top where the joint is, and then from that joint, that's where I went again, bottom of the headliner all the way to the camera. And now, yeah, we have two connections. We have power, and we have on the right side connection from the back camera, and everything is connected and ready to go. And then the wiring from the cigarette lighter, I ran down in here, down here in the pillar, up over here to the camera. Very easy setup, and yeah, now we got all the connections and everything should be working.